We're starting the day on the train station. I was woken up a couple hours ago. Netja's boyfriend called me. I was like, dude, I'm so tired. I need to sleep some more. But yeah, I'm heading in their direction soon. This cat's gotta move. Yeah, get out of there, buddy. I'm going to Netja's place to make sushi, hang out. But first, I gotta go pick up a fast charger for Tobias, the owner of this place.
Altså jeg vil så komme ud og gøre det i sin skole, fordi det kan hun. Det skal de også, det er de også til. Ja.
I've been here for a long time, man. Holy shit. It's gotta be like 6 years, 7 years ago since I stopped at this station. I got a lot of past in this area. Oh my god, I've walked up and down these stairs a million times. I used to come to Christiania Freetown a lot.
Which
I've not been here in a hot minute.
It's like, yo, building, let me put my name on it.
I accidentally got on the wrong bus. Well, the right bus, but going in the wrong direction. So, basically rode through like a trip down memory lane. This area I haven't been in. Interesting, but now I'm just gonna take it back in the other direction. Be like 20 minutes late to me and Natja's arrangement, but it's fine. 20 minutes, it's all good. At least I can charge my headset in this bus. Alright, I got 10 minutes to kill here. And 2 chicken salsa cheese burgers to kill the time with. Wow, that's some beautiful hair. You know me guys, I had to stop and compliment her. I just can't help complimenting people. Let's get some to eat. I used to eat these a lot 10 years ago. Chicken salsa cheese. Det var en god indkøbstur, hva'? Ej, vi har fået købt meget slik og chips. Og så er der jo sushi. Vi skal også have sushi. Det var meget lækkert sidst, var det ikke? I went all out, spending a little too much money, but hey, I just kind of wanted him to have a lot of candy and chips and a good time. We're gonna watch a cartoon. I like showing him old cartoons. First, we're gonna eat. Hvad så, Jason? Vi skal lave mad. Vi skal lave mad. Du er klar til kalder her? Så er det bare en skam, at jeg er ved at lave mad. Jeg kan ikke spille lige nu. Men det kan være mor, hun måske vil lige om lidt. Gotta chop some veggies still. And I made these dips for potato chips. These. Check it out. Sushi's ready. And this is only the half of it. Itadakimasu.
Jeg tror, det er med ris.